Gentlemen, if you're over 50, listen carefully. Lower back pain starts showing up more often. Your hips feel stiff after sitting for long periods. Each morning, your body feels heavy, low on energy. Recovery takes longer than it used to. Strength gradually declines. And testosterone quietly drops year after year. Most men believe that's just aging. But the truth is, most of it isn't caused by age. Not because you're over 50. Not genetics. Not fate. And not because your body is past its prime. The real cause is much simpler. Your body has stopped doing the primal movements it was designed to perform every day. When the hips no longer open properly. When the glutes fall asleep from too much sitting. When the spine loses its mobility. When the pelvic region lacks circulation and vitality. The entire masculine system begins to slow down. But here's the most important part. If decline begins when movement disappears, then recovery begins the moment you bring movement back. The right way. Consistently. With intention. So today, we go straight to the solution. In this video, you'll learn 3 time-tested primal exercises, movements that help restore nearly everything men over 50 tend to lose. Hip mobility, spinal stability, glute strength, blood flow to the pelvic floor, and hormonal signaling that supports natural testosterone production. When you master these 3 movements, your posture changes. Your steps feel lighter. Your lower back begins to release. Energy returns. Your body becomes stronger and more defined. And testosterone starts working the way it's meant to. Let's begin. Exercise 1. The deep squat hold. How to do it? Start simple. Stand in front of a stable support, a door frame, a table, or anything solid. Lightly hold it with your hands. Slowly lower your body until your hips drop below your knees. No forcing, no pushing. Let gravity guide you down, naturally. Keep your heels on the ground if possible. If your heels lift, place a rolled towel or a small support underneath them. Maintain a natural, neutral spine. Keep your chest gently open. No tension, no bouncing. Just breathe, slow, deep, steady. Start with 30 seconds. Then gradually build to 1 minute. 2 minutes. And work toward 5 minutes per day. But remember, this is not a flexibility test. This is the process of restoring a position your body was designed to know. Common mistakes that ruin the effect. Don't round your back and collapse forward. Don't let your knees cave inward. Don't force depth before your body is ready. If your knees hurt, support your hips. If your ankles are tight, gently elevate your heels. Correct movement always feels like opening. Not pain. Not force. This is not an unfamiliar position. It was once a natural resting posture for humans. For thousands of years, people sat like this to eat, work, rest, and observe. But modern men have lost it. The sofa took it away. The office chair took it away. The modern toilet took it away. A sedentary lifestyle erased it from the body. And when you lose the deep squat, your hips begin to compress. Your ankles grow stiff. Your knees fall out of alignment. Your lower back takes load the wrong way. Your pelvic region becomes restricted. But when you bring it back, something powerful begins to happen. Your hips decompress. Your ankles regain range. Your knees relearn proper alignment. Your lower back is relieved of pressure. And most importantly, blood begins to flow strongly again through the pelvic floor. This is a living network of tissue directly connected to male sexual function, prostate health, pelvic control, and natural testosterone signaling. The deep squat restores the connection between your hips and spine. When these 2 regions move smoothly together, everything in your lower body becomes more efficient. Walking feels lighter. Standing feels more stable. Bending becomes safer. lifting becomes stronger. Even your breathing becomes deeper. If you want strength, stability, and your masculine vitality back, this position is essential. Exercise 2. Glute bridge. Lie on your back on the floor. Bend your knees. Place your feet flat on the ground. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Position your feet so your fingertips can just touch your heels. This position is critical. Before lifting your hips, squeeze your glutes. At the same time, lightly brace your core, as if someone is about to tap your stomach. Now press your heels into the ground and lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from knees to shoulders. Do not arch your lower back. Do not drive the movement from your lower back. Focus on squeezing your glutes and keeping your torso stable. At the top position, your weight should be in your heels, not your toes. And here, squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. Hold it, don't release. This is no longer a movement. This is a static activation state. That sustained contraction awakens glute fibers that have been asleep from years of sitting. It sends a signal to your nervous system. This muscle group needs to come back online. In science, this is called an isometric contraction, a form of muscle engagement without movement, but extremely effective for rebuilding the mind-muscle connection. Breathe steadily, slow, controlled. If you can't breathe normally, you're over-bracing. The goal is not maximum tension, but sustainable tension. Start with 30 seconds, then build to 60, then 90 seconds per hold. Perform 2 to 3 sets per day. Repeat with control. If you feel the load in your hamstrings, move your feet closer to your hips. If your lower back feels discomfort, place a small cushion underneath for support. Correct execution always creates a burn in the glutes, not pain in the lower back, not tightness in the hamstrings. If you had to choose the single most important exercise for modern men, this might be it, the glute bridge. Because weak glutes are the root of a cascade of problems after 50. Lower back pain, tight hamstrings, unstable hips, a forward collapsing posture, heaviness in the lower abdomen, declining vitality. When the glutes stop working, the pelvis tilts forward, the lumbar spine gets compressed, the lower abdomen tightens, circulation in the pelvic region becomes restricted. That's why many men experience back pain, fatigue, and hormonal decline at the same time. But when you wake the glutes back up, everything starts to reverse. The pelvis becomes more stable. The spine naturally realigns. The lower back releases. The hips grow stronger. Your steps become more grounded. And blood begins to return to the deepest tissues of the body, especially those linked to male function and hormonal health. The glute bridge doesn't just build muscle. It reactivates the entire posterior chain. It restores that foundational, masculine drive from the legs up through the spine. It reopens the base of vitality that many have lost. Train it slowly. Squeeze hard. Feel the glutes working. In just a few weeks, you'll notice your body standing differently, walking differently, and moving with a different kind of strength. Exercise 3. Active hang. How to do it: simple, but precise. Grab a bar, hands slightly wider than shoulder width, palms facing forward. Before lifting your feet, pull your shoulder blades down and back. Imagine trying to slide your shoulder blades into your back pockets. This is your activation position. Now, gently lift your feet off the ground. Keep your arms straight, but your shoulders engaged, not loose. Chest slightly open, neck long. You're not just hanging. You're creating space. Breathe steadily, slow, controlled. If you feel your shoulders creeping up toward your ears, stop. Come down, reset, start again. Begin with 10 to 15 seconds. Then break it into multiple sets. 3 times 20 seconds is far more effective than forcing a painful 60-second hold. Your goal is not to endure longer. It's to accumulate quality time in the correct position. If you have shoulder issues, use resistance bands or assisted support to reduce body weight. If you don't have a bar, a sturdy tree branch works just fine. The key is not the equipment. It's the correct shoulder position. When you sit too much, gravity compresses your spine all day long. Your vertebrae are pushed closer together. Your shoulders roll forward. Your chest collapses. Your head juts forward. The fascia around your shoulders and upper back tightens like dry, rigid cables. Your body becomes like a spring, constantly compressed. Science refers to part of this as impingement, shoulder joint compression. And when the shoulder is compressed, the domino effect begins. Your head gets pulled forward. Your neck becomes tense. Your breathing turns shallow. Your spinal axis loses stability. Your masculine posture fades. But it goes even deeper. When the ribcage collapses and the spine is compressed, your breathing capacity drops. Stress levels rise. Cortisol increases. Testosterone signaling gradually weakens over time. Many people think they're simply aging. In reality, they're being compressed. What you're losing is not just shoulder strength. It's space inside your body. Put simply, this is not just an upper body exercise. It's a way to rebuild posture, reopen your breath, restore grip strength, decompress the spine, and send a signal that your body is still young, still strong, still capable of fighting. Finally, remember this. After 50, your body doesn't need more exercises. It needs the right exercises. Not 2 hours in the gym. Just 3 foundational movements, done at the right times of day. And when you do this, your body begins to recover according to its natural biological rhythm. Morning, before the day begins. Drop into a deep squat. Hold it for 3 to 5 minutes. This wakes up your hips, opens your ankles, lubricates your knees, pulls blood back into the pelvic region. After a night of stillness, the body is often stiff. The deep squat is the first signal to your nervous system. It's time to move. It activates the entire lower body, warms the joints, opens the spine, reignites masculine vitality from the ground up. Afternoon, after work. Perform active hangs in 3 to 5 short sets. After hours of sitting, driving, bending, staring at screens, your body becomes compressed. This is the moment to decompress. Grab the bar. Pull your shoulders down. Open your chest. Breathe deeply. Just 10 to 20 seconds per set. But it's your transition out of work and back into a strong, grounded state. Evening, before bed. Do the glute bridge, 2 to 3 sets of static holds. This realigns the pelvis, releases pressure from the lower back, increases blood flow to the pelvic region, and sends a recovery signal to your hormones during sleep. And that's the key, because testosterone is rebuilt most effectively during deep sleep. If your pelvis is misaligned, your back is in pain, your nervous system is tense, your body cannot recover optimally. But when you end your day with the glute bridge, you go to sleep in a better state. Just 3 exercises, 3 moments. Morning, open the body. Afternoon, decompress the body. Evening, rebuild the body. Do this every day, and you'll start to notice a lighter back, more mobile hips, stronger steps, rising energy, a more youthful posture, and testosterone beginning to function the way it was meant to.